Injection molded polypropylene construction. Easy installation. No assembly required. Built-in knife, pliers and lure holder. Holds rods up to 1-3/4 in diameter. One-piece injection molded UV stabilized polypropylene 3-pole rod holder. No assembly required, easy installation. Built-in knife, pliers and lure holder. Accommodates rods up to 1-3/4 in diameter. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product. I put this in my boat to help organize my fishing rods instead of having them lay loose in the boat. I can keep rigged rods that are instantly ready to go this way. Mounting only took a few minutes, the design locks the rods from moving and it is heavy-duty enough to last many years.